Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a wind vane and anemometer. Gather a ruler, straw, cups, pin, pushpin, dowel, tape, marker, and compass, and set them on your work surface. I will guide you through simple cuts, balancing, and mounting, so both instruments read wind direction and speed reliably. Follow clear steps, test outdoors, and make small adjustments to reduce friction for smoother movement and better accuracy. Start by making a balanced arrow and tail from plastic or cardboard that will catch the wind without dragging. Attach the arrow to a straw or thin tube and insert a pushpin through the center to let it spin on a vertical dowel. Secure the dowel upright on a post, align the base to true north, and test rotation in a light breeze to ensure smooth movement and accurate direction readings. Create a cross from 2 equal-length rods and attach 4 identical cups at the ends so airflow pushes them evenly. Mount the cross to a hub that spins on a vertical shaft, using a low-friction bearing or pin so it rotates easily in light wind. Count rotations per minute or per 30 seconds to estimate wind speed, and calibrate against a known reference or formula to convert rotations into miles per hour or meters per second.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.